Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We have another unboxing, installation, and a review video. Just right off the bat, this video is not sponsored by Autoone, Amazon, or any other third-party affiliates, but Autoone was kind enough to send me a free sample of their H13 LED bulbs and asked me to do a video, and I agreed. As a matter of fact, I like this product so much that this is going to be a third or fourth product from Autoone, second pair of LED lights for my Mercury Grand Marquis. I like it so much that I agreed to do another video, another install video, and I will be giving these out in the near future. So we're gonna get right into it and to see what's in the box, and then we'll go outside and get it installed on my car. Let's take a look what is inside. As always, great packaging. Always like these compact little boxes. They just feel so good and so right in your hands. Of course, the instructions on how to set everything up. Autoone business card with all their information and the lights themselves. Now I'm going to go straight through their Amazon storefront page to tell you the specs of these. These are LED, 6000K color light output, which are bright white, pretty bright, I would say. I had a pair of these before, and these are probably some of my favorite affordable LED bulbs, at least for my car, for my Mercury. Never had any issues with them. They always performed very well. The build quality on these is pretty high up there. And looking at their Amazon storefront, they got really high reviews and high ratings. They got a lot of sales. And this product speaks for itself because of the amount of people buying these and enjoying this product for their car. So these are, like I said, 6000K light output. So they are pretty bright white. A 10-minute installation, which will be a quick take out the old one, put the new one in, twist, and you're ready to go. 60,000 plus hours of lifespan on these. They're Canbus ready, so it won't flicker. It's just a plug and play, but I've never had issues with these on my Mercury. I had a pair of these on one of my other cars, so it is a high upgrade, very big upgrade from your halogen lights or whatever you may be running at the moment. These also come with a cooling fan that is built inside, very easy to fit if you have a tight spot, if you have a tight space beyond your headlights where you can't get in and out. They are waterproof, and they're pretty much just a plug and play for the car. They have other sizes, other applications. So with that said, besides the packaging, the labeling, and everything else that comes inside the box, let's go outside and we're gonna test fit these, or we're gonna put these on my Mercury, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, we're outside, and we're going to take a look at my 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. So this is the H13 application. I do have the lights right here, nicely packaged, ready to go. So I'm going to start with this headlight here. On my car, you got to take off this plastic bezel here, and the light bulb is right there. It's a really quick reach around, take it out, pop the new one in, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and take off these clips. There you go. Now it is exposed. I could get in through here, and same on that side. So I'm going to show you what the halogen bulb looks like before we take it out. There you go. This is the halogen look. Definitely a little bit dimmer, a little bit more yellowish tint to it, and not as bright as the LED one. So let me show you how to change that out and what they look like with the new ones. Okay guys, check out the difference in the color output already. This is the bright white Autoone LED. This is the halogen OEM stock look. I mean, they do get the job done. I'm not gonna lie. It's a proven, cheaper option. But then you have the LED, which is the bright white which is a lot brighter at night, and you can even see how it looks and the difference of it, even in the daytime right now. Now, here's the new light. Let's get this one changed. So all you do is literally stick your hands, you twist and turn. Now, I do a warning, if you've been running your headlights, the light bulb is really hot and you can really do some damage on your skin. So please be careful. But here we go. We pulled out this is a halogen bulb. We're gonna pull it off the connector. Now let's compare these two. Now you can see they're identical size. The connection is all the same. And the way it goes in and fits in there, it's like a glove. It's like an OEM fit. It does have the rubber seal, just like the OEM one. It's a very quick. They promise 10 minutes. If you know what you're doing and your car is really to get to like mine, it's less than 10 minutes to do this whole procedure. Take it out. I'm gonna pop this in. Now I'm gonna install it into the headlight. That's it. Let me show you now how that's gonna look. There you go. I mean, it speaks for itself. Look how bright that is. They're very affordable. They fit really nice. I think they perfected how these go on. It's almost as if OEM fit. Look at the brightness output. I mean, on my car that's silver, it looks nice. It's bright. I'll save you the trouble not to do two. But this is how it looks like. I mean, like I said, I've had a pair of these before. I was so pleased with these that when they reached out, I said I'll do another video. And just to confirm that this is a really good product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back. And when it gets dark, I'll give you the night shots. Let's put everything back. Guys, it is now nighttime. It's about 9:45 p.m. As you can tell, I'm inside the car. It is pitch dark, and I'm going to show you what these Autoone H13 LED bulbs do. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn them on, and it just lights up this whole alley. So that is the low beam. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the high beams. Now there is a retaining wall, or just a wall right there with bushes and plants, so the light stops right there. But it is bright. I mean, it just lights up this whole alley here. When I turn it off, you can't see anything. I mean, it's pitch black. And when I turn them on, you can see there's trailers and there's containers and things like that. So let's go outside and I'll show you what it looks like outside. Got a better look out here. I mean, it's bright as day out here. They are bright. So I do have fog lights on my Mercury, but we're focusing more on the headlights. I mean, look at the light. It is definitely intense, and it is definitely bright. They definitely flood the whole headlight, but most cars, if not all, they are very adjustable. I did adjust them to be somewhat down. Yeah, that's what it's about. It's about getting a light output and getting the road lit up so you can see better, and the halogen lights just don't do the justice. As I've mentioned before, this is my second pair of the Autoones, because I am happy with the product. And like I mentioned before, this is not a paid collaboration, but they did send me a free pair. And I really do enjoy these lights, these LED headlights. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. I will put all the links in the description below. We'll see you guys in the next one.